Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will learn about string. String is a sequence of characters which we can use as a single quote or double quotes to represent. If we want to write strings in multiple lines, for that we need to use triple quotes. Python does not have a char data type like other programming languages C, C++ or Java, but we can display a character from a string using its index value, and indexing starts from 0. For example, if I want to display character at index value 1, for that I just give country 1. And if I want to access characters from index value 1 to 4, for that I will write in this way. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.